Hi everyone, this is Hanzala, and on this question we are taking a look into KubeSec. So what is KubeSec? KubeSec is a static analysis tool that scans Kubernetes YAML files, particularly for pod specs. This is good for checking security misconfigurations before deployment. In this question, it is telling us that there is a definition file called simplepod.yaml in this directory. So let's take a look at it. So this is the file, and we need to use the KubeSec tool to generate a report on this definition file and fix the issues that it finds. So let's have a look at KubeSec, and we can see over here we can use the scan, and if you do help again, we just need to put the location of the file here. So we can do KubeSec scan, and all we need to do is we know it's over here, CKS, and we can press enter. Let's go up. It's failed with -30. Everything else seems okay, but the big thing is that it has cap sysadmin, which is the most privileged capability and should always be avoided. So what we can do now is go back to this file, and we just need to remove the sysadmin. Save the file, and let's rerun it. And we can see it's passed with 0 and that issue is not there. So all it's telling us now is we need to save it into this directory over here. So what we can do is if we're unsure, just press help again, and it shows you here -o as the output. And all we need to do is copy the location. And if we do cat, it should be here. And we can see again that it's passed. So this question is done. We'll do end exam, and this will take about 30 seconds. Just finished up, and we can see over here it has passed. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful. Drop us a like and comment below if you had any issues. Thank you.